Hi guys, it's Drift GB and today I'm going to play the Bermuda map, actually the battle royale. But yesterday I got the new costume also and new character also, and let's start the game. Actually, in this sniper and AK, means AK-47, these two guns are very popular, and together with that, these guns are like, it's very awesome. And in this map, Peak, Kota Tua, Cape Town and Pochino, these places are good. I'm thinking. So now I will land somewhere else. So I will dive and boom. There are some other, so in this in according to the Free Fire rules, we cannot, everyone does not have to be in a crowded place, like everyone does not have to land in the same place, but land it separately so that a person gets a chance to, like, they get a gun. Because if a person does not have a gun and like they're directly firing, and then that is not fair, then the other people will like report about that thing. So now let's first, we will check what all do these people have now. Here they have some bullets, like some of those things. Yes, I got the guns. Now medical kits. Done. One medical kit I have now. Thompson is actually, I don't know which gun is this. It's a shotgun actually. Let's check some other place. Here I came actually. Now here is a system like a electric snowboard, something. I can go inside this, no problems. This is an electric snowboard. Maybe not. So now I need some scope, holographical, tactile or thermal scope, or 2x, 4x, whatever. Some more things other than the rooftop. That's a lot of bullets actually. 150 is the total bullet. Electrical surfboard, like when you press this, this thing is awesome, but I don't want to use it. Wow, that thing is awesome. So I have electrical snowboard, and let's sit here for a little time. No one is coming. Leave it. So I'll take the jeep and I'll run from here because no use us sitting here now. Now if I walk like this, oh, someone is going. Someone is going. I saw him. Let's go and check where is he going. So this is a very long thing and I don't know till where did he go. But if I had shooted him, he must have some attention. He's walking, huh? Actually, it's very hard for me to shoot because he was going like very hard. So I cannot go that far. But I saw him somewhere. Ah, yeah, he saw me. He saw me. I heard him. From where is he shooting? Someone is shooting. Some person is shooting now. There is that guy running. Maybe I don't know. Run. Electricals. Thanks. Oh shit. Where is my medical kit? Oh no, I don't have medical kit. Shit. Go, run. I have less health now. I don't have. I'm stuck. There is someone. Actually, this match is very bad now. It's becoming more bad now. And I have nothing to do. So what do we do? So we'll go by electrical surfboard now. How can I use? Because some people are there who are standing outside. So let's go somewhere else. I saw him. Oh no, I'm stuck here because I have less health also because of that. Bro, this is the big problem actually. This is the most biggest problem. Because I have lose 6 times. This is 6th time which I'm losing. And I don't know how come these people are having like this type of things. This match is unfair. Actually, I have to report him about these things. Because I'm losing 6 times. And the problem is that I'm paying that. The problem is not that I'm not paying attention. I'm paying attention. But the problem is how come these people are coming from somewhere. If I had used electrical snowboard very early, I had run also. Shit. I had no use also here. Because there are some pro players who are like here somewhere. Means for example the man who is like sitting and roaming around there in the screen which you are seeing now. Bro, this is unfair. How come these people are killing each other? That's why I hate Free Fire. So guys, the video ends here and I hope you liked my video and please subscribe my adult channel and my YouTube video and share it and comment below how was it and turn on the bell for latest notifications and latest videos and share it and comment below how was it. Actually the problem was I was having a very weak gun which was known as SCAR and actually I wanted AK or some sniper gun but I was not having and I did not have any scope. So when my health decreased that time I got 2x scope. That was a big problem. So now I'm in level 7 now but I'll get something. Yesterday I won 3 times but I don't know how come it happened. Okay, so now there's some other things. Let's see what all they have. So they have a loot box. In this they will keep something, I don't know. And there is a new character maybe, I don't know. They don't have actually. So I'm not gonna spend any money on these things because actually I want to some people, sometimes we cannot hack the game, this type of games like COD, PUBG, or Fortnite or Free Fire. So I will de- level up, and let's check what happens. Actually, guys, the most easy match is like when you are new to the game, and there will be a match like Bermuda Triangle, not that Kalahari. So they will take you to the Bermuda, and then they will show you how, like, all the tutorial or something. So they will show you all of this, and then you can play. But that time they will be beginners. Here they are pros actually. So even it is even more hard. And the big mistake which I had done was like, everyone means I landed in a very crowded place, so like people can come from anywhere because the number of buildings were a lot. So yeah, that much. So guys, thanks for watching.